Howdy folks, my tree has the best ornaments here. We got pizza, dino nuggets, can't forget the candy canes, and a McFlurry on top. This year I got baby burrito ornaments and a big fat girthy juicy burrito on top.
My Christmas tree has baby candy canes because they're the only ones that fit in my small robot mouth.
I made a fast food gingerbread house train with dino nuggets, french fries. We're also carrying the precious double cheeseburger. And breaking up the tail end, we have a hot, steamy American apple pie. Ha! Paul, yours is even tinier than last time.
No, it's not. It's average size.
Eric, stop teasing. You know Paul is sensitive about that. Wow, Granny, your gingerbread house is absolutely beautiful. Can I please have one of those cookies? Oh my gosh, my eye. I can't see anything. I'm blind. Somebody help me. Comment your favorite gingerbread house, Eric's fast food, Paul's Sour Patch Kids, or Granny's cookie house.
This year I'm keeping my Christmas list short and sweet. The first thing I want is a hot dog, toast, female companionship, chest hair,
5 minutes later.
clock, sock, magnesium, and underwear with no skid marks on it.
I'm asking Santa for a Karen plushie, Battle Squad glasses, 200,000 likes on this video, 2 million subscribers, a burrito, and a girlfriend.
Good luck with that. What about you, Granny? Slippers, a McFlurry, and a new car.
It is now time to prepare the Christmas feast!
A true chef doesn't need to see to cook a good meal, so I will be cooking chicken noodle soup while blindfolded. First, you need to add your chicken broth, the whole bottle. And I mean the whole bottle. Set the burner to high. Next, you add your noodles. I like to use 2 bags so you have enough for leftovers. You can't have chicken noodle soup without the chicken. Make sure to beat your meat so it's nice and tender. I like to add a little bit of hot sauce for some flavor. Just a little bit though. I'm talking 1 drop, maybe 2 at the most, and you should be good to go. Be sure to give it a good stir, and then all you need to do is add the lid and wait about 2 hours, you're good to go.
2 hours later.
Here's my finest Christmas Eve chicken noodle soup.
What on earth did you put in that? It looks absolutely delicious.
Bon appetit. Mwah. And for you, Karen, your favorite Christmas eggnog.
Yay, I love eggnog. Oh yeah, that's so good. Oh my gosh, I think I'm drunk.
And for you, Granny, your favorite homemade cookie pie. Enjoy.
It's getting late, we should all go to bed. Make sure to comment on this video what you want for Christmas. Good night.
Santa's coming tonight!
The next morning.
It's Christmas! Woo! Whoa! It's Christmas! Woo! Wow! Look at all these presents! Oh my goodness! Hey, that's mine. Yours are by your tree.
A Karen plushie. Mwah. Mwah. Oh, Battle Squad glasses.
You guys can buy your own Battle Squad shades in the link below. It comes with these lenses, the clear ones, and the black ones for when you're outside. Pork buns? Sushi! And lightsaber chopsticks.
Granny, I got you this present. I saved a whole year of my allowance to buy it. There's shark slippers. Try them on to make sure they fit. Wow, those look great on you. Merry Christmas, Granny.
Chocolate balls.
Math homework.
Candy cane. Just what I wanted. Big, girthy, juicy, fat melons.
Eric, look, I got some melons too.
Chocolate. Ooh, I wonder what this is. An egg.
A burrito launcher.
Let's test it out. Shoot me a juicy burrito. Wow, that's the best Christmas present ever.
A McDouble. Paul, I'm sending it over. You gotta try it. A Domino's pizza. with candy canes, just what I asked for. Coconut nut, another nut, these nuts, a burrito, ow! Oh, a bunch of baby cheeseburgers.
The world's spiciest chip? There's nothing that's too spicy for me. Not bad.
A giant gummy bear.
Oh my gosh, Granny got Uncrustables. Those are my favorite. Can I please have a bite? I am a fat, happy little robot.
Whoa, a girlfriend. I've always wanted one of these. Hey, get back here. Whoa! A pizza oven!
Granny, there's a giant present for you outside. Go get it. Granny got a brand new iPhone 15. Make sure to subscribe to Battle Squad. Granny, can you help me open my stockings? I hope I get something cool. Battle Squad glasses. How do I look?
What are you waiting for? Let's go.
This is massive!
It's the biggest one I've seen.
Who's it for? To the winner.
We're gonna have to fight.
Christmas battle.
Christmas battle. A Christmas present box for. I need ammo. Oh, look at all this ammo! And a baby cheeseburger!
Oh, finally, a big one. What? This is tiny. Whatever. Size doesn't matter.
All loaded up. Now, what I'm gonna have to do here is I'm gonna have to trick Paul. I'm gonna have to set a booby trap so I can know when he's coming. Good. And I need a peel to slip him. Here we go.
This is too easy. I thought Eric was gonna try to booby trap me.
Yeah, my booby trap worked! Eat this, pipsqueak! No! An boy!
Eric, I need a present!
Don't worry, I'm on my way.
Out of ammo!
Here's your present.
Thanks, Karen. I owe you one.
No problem. You're going to need all the help you can get.
No! Another one of these?
Reloading! Oh, yeah!
Eric loves hot cocoa, but let's make it real hot with this chip that has more heat than 1,000 ghost peppers.
This train is heading north.
Oh, yeah! Oh, this is hot! What was in this? You're not gonna do any damage with that tiny pipsqueak blaster. But kids, that's why you always wear your Battle Squad eye protection. Get yours below.
Gingy, take this rival blaster and annihilate Eric.
Now go! I barely got out of there alive. There's only one way to take out the gingerbread man, and that's with milk. Granny! Hey, Gingy, got milk? You're my prisoner now, Gingy. You'll come in handy later.
No, Gingy didn't make it. Karen, bring me another present.
Coming in hot. Here's another present, Paul.
An elf on a shelf. Now watch this.
Out on the shelf, reporting for duty.
Elf, take this and make Eric pay for what he did to Gingy.
Popcorn! No.
Eric, have you been naughty or nice?
Nice?
Wrong. Out of ammo!
Karen, bring me some firepower.
Here you go, Eric. Hopefully this helps.
Oh, baked beans. I'm gonna gas her out. Wake up!
Where am I?
Shut up! Look at me! Who do you work for?
I'll never talk.
You ready to cooperate?
You'll never break me.
You might not break, but your good friend Gingy will.
I don't care about him.
Oh, really? You don't care if I take off another leg then, huh? I'm gonna do it! I'm gonna cut off his arm!
Paul sent me here. I work for him, but I'll do whatever you want.
Good, you work for me now. Destroy Paul and report back once finished.
Max, look at that stupid idiot stuffing his fat face. We need to lure him out of here. Give him something to pig out on. Now go. Perfect plan. Let's get started. It's about time you sign up.
Hey, I was eating that, and you're supposed to be on my side.
I don't work for you anymore. I work for Eric. Now eat this. The job is done.
Great work, Elf. Now return to the shelf. Woo! Yes, I win. Now time to open all my presents.
Hey, Mr. Grinch, give us back our presents.
What? You don't tell me what to do, you fat robo pig.
Please don't hurt me. Ouch.
No, this place is trashed, and all the presents are gone. Only one person could have done this. The Grinch.
Get your hairy hands off of me. No, please stop. I'm too young to die.
The Grinch stole all of our presents. And he's beating Karen. No! Granny, go revive Paul. Whoa, I'm alive! And fresh cookies! Thanks, Granny!
Bro, what's going on? Why are you dressed as a pizza man?
Alright, bro, listen up. The Grinch stole all of our presents. I'm dressed as a pizza man. I'm gonna lure him out into the open. We'll annihilate him once and for all.
Alright, good luck.
Thanks, brother. Hey, Max, you want a stick? You want a stick? Go fast! Go get it! Go get it! Pizza! It's the pizza man! I got a piping hot pepperoni pizza for you, Mr. Grinch.
That's disgusting. Now get lost, kid.
What happened? He didn't want the pizza man, and he's scary. That's because the Grinch likes glass.
Broken glass, my favorite.
Now use this and terminate the Grinch.
I'm the Terminator! Say hello to my little friend! The Grinch! He's gone! Karen! She's broken! I know who can fix her. Fix Karen, please!
Yes, sir. Karen is good as new.
Thanks for fixing me. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Let's Karen! Deal! Oh!
Carl, you did a great job decorating your gingerbread house. Eric and Paul, show me yours.
Well, Karen, you see here, my gingerbread mansion has chicken nuggets, french fries, and a cheeseburger on top.
That looks so yummy. I want to eat it for dinner.
Ow. Paul, why is yours so small? It's not small, it's average size, Eric.
Eric, stop teasing. You know Paul is sensitive about that.
Ooh, Granny, can I get one of those fresh cookies?
Comment whose gingerbread house is the best. Did you guys finish your Christmas list for Santa?
Yes, Karen, I'm asking for a bigger gingerbread house, a flamethrower, a Karen plushie, and a wife.
Good luck with that.
Don't forget about me. I want sushi, Baby Yoda, big muscles, pony, dignity, a poo-poo platter to be young and in love, a pet midget, world domination, a fat pickle, and a underwear with no skid marks on it. And most of all, I want 1 million likes on this video.
Yes, 1 million likes. Comment what you want for Christmas. I'll be responding to all comments.
Hey, Granny, what do you want for Christmas?
A hot grandpa? Granny, you naughty lady, you.
It's time for bed. Granny, put out the milk and cookies for Santa.
Oh, yeah, bedtime! Santa's coming tonight.
2 hours later.
I'm so thirsty. I need a glass of milk.
Ho, ho, ho! These must be Granny's cookies. Can't forget the milk.
Oh my gosh. Hi, Santa. I knew you were real.
Ho, ho, ho! Well, of course I'm real. Now, Karen, what would you like for Christmas?
I just want something to drink.
Here, have some milk. It is from Granny. Oh, 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 now go back to bed.
Thanks. Good night, Mr. Santa Claus. Comment below if you believe in Santa. Good night.
The next morning.
Yeah, it's Christmas!
Whoa, it's Christmas! Whew, time to put on the Kousky merch. Whew, let's go. Whoa! Whoa, look at all these presents! A Karen plushie! That's exactly what I asked for!
I got one too. I love you, Karen. Mwah.
Take good care of baby Karen.
Our 1 million subscribers trophy!
Wow, this is massive!
No, this is massive! Mine is so small!
Well, mine's almost too big to handle.
I could handle that, no problem. Here, Granny, this is from me. Hope you like it. It's called a loofah. I have one and I use it all the time when I take bubble baths.
Whoa! Granny, I got one too!
Awesome! I really needed this.
Paul, can you open this? I don't have any arms.
Bottle of wine?
Carl, are you trying to wine and dine me?
To Eric from Karen. Oh, a PS5, Karen, how on earth did you afford this?
I launder money for a Mexican drug cartel.
Oh, well thanks, Karen.
I'll do anything for my family.
To Paul and Eric from Granny!
Milk and cookies. Thanks, Granny.
Granny, open that big one. It's from me and Eric.
Wow, Granny got a new walker. Now all she needs is a hot grandpa.
This looks like a burrito. A burrito and a flamethrower. I love a nice toasted burrito.
Can I have a bite of your yummy burrito? I love burritos.
Underwear with no skid marks, and it's the perfect size.
I can't see. Get these undies off me. Ow. A package straight from the North Pole. Thanks, Maverick. I can't wait to see what's inside. I hope it's a puppy. Paul and Eric, we got another present from Santa.
A letter from Santa! Paul and Eric, since you were so nice this year, one of you gets to take the Polar Express to the North Pole. You have 3 lives. Winner gets the Polar Express ticket. Loser has to spend a Christmas with the Grinch.
Whoever wins, please take baby Karen with you to the North Pole.
Oh, let's go! Ah, thanks, Carl. Yeah!
Paul, here's a present to make a Christmas box for.
Thanks, Karen.
No problem.
Yo, Granny!
Yeah!
This is a big one.
What? This is tiny.
It's not about the size, it's about how you use it.
Ha! Your tiny little pipsqueak stands no chance against my big, juicy, fat, girthy blaster.
Tim! I need you to go out there and lay down cover fire. Go!
Yeah! Get him, Tim! Tiffany! Alright, I need you to go in there with your luscious blonde-haired big booty and distract Tim. Now go! Time to set the mood, baby.
Tim, get back here.
Well, I guess it's not a crime to be young and in love.
Here's a surprise Christmas present, Paul.
All aboard! This train is heading north.
Whoa, it's the Polar Express. Oh, a present. Is that for me?
TNT, what am I supposed to do with this?
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal. Say hello to my little friend.
No, I lost the fight.
You can run, but you can't hide, pipsqueak. I wonder where Paul could possibly be. Silly, silly Paul. Woo! Let's go, I'm the winner! All right, get out, you loser. Come on. Where are you? Ooh, push for a poo-poo platter. Okay. No! Ha! You missed! Granny's got a better shot than you.
Granny, my turret missed. Take the shot.
Oh, Granny! You traitor!
Nice shot, Granny.
Treason will not be tolerated! Ugh. Ooh, yeah!
Paul, follow me. I know where to hide.
Let's go, Karen. Something just isn't right about that Christmas tree. Much better. Mr. Grinch, I need you to ruin Paul's Christmas.
My pleasure.
That was such a good hiding spot.
Nice work, Karen. High five.
I don't have any hands.
Look, Karen, free eggnog. Let's go.
I love eggnog. Get some for me.
It's a Christmas miracle.
Hey.
Why, hello there.
Oh no.
Hey, get back here. Hold still, just for 1 second, please.
Yeah, Mr. Grinch got one of his lives.
King Kousky, how was the eggnog?
I don't want to talk about it, Karen.
Here, this will make you feel better. I wonder if there's any more eggnog in that sketchy van. Hey, what the heck is on my head? Get this off me. Let me go. Please, no, I'm too young to die.
Gotcha! Alright, tell me Paul's plan. What's he doing in the garage?
I'll never tell you. You slap like a girl.
Alright, tell me or I'll hurt baby Karen.
Please don't hurt her. Paul's hiding in the garage with a massive box fort.
Well, I'm gonna have to get a specialist for this one. Mr. Santa Claus, I'm gonna need your naughtiest elf ASAP.
3421 reporting for duty.
Take this and destroy Paul's box fort. Now go!
Give me a big one. Yeah, this thing is massive. Who are you?
I'm Elf 3421, here to destroy your box fort.
Stupid elf!
You can't destroy me, Paul the Pipsqueak!
Take this, stupid elf. Yeah! Now Karen, get that fat elf out of here.
Yes, sir. Getting this super fat elf out of here. Oh my gosh, this elf is really fat and smelly.
Time to take out Paul's last life. Yeah! King Kousky, fight me like a man! Take this, you peasant!
Paul keeps hiding, but I know how to get him right where I want him.
Yes. Why is Eric calling me?
You better get in here before I open all your presents and eat all your burritos.
No one eats my burritos except for me. Comment Team Paul if you think I'm gonna win.
Comment Team Eric if you want me to annihilate Pipsqueak Paul.
My burritos. Oh my god. Ooh, chicken.
Yole hee-hoo! No! Yeah, you lose! Have fun spending Christmas with the Grinch!
Why, hello.
No, please! Somebody help me! I'm too young for this! I won, so I'm taking the Polar Express to the North Pole with baby Karen.
Oh, sick! All right, folks, make sure you ask for this big, girthy, juicy blaster for Christmas. Whoa, mamma mia! All right, let's see what we're working with here. Emergency binos, let's take a look. Merry Christmas, you filthy animals! Down! One to go! Out of ammo! Hostiles on the perimeter, taken care of. Now it's time to infiltrate. This is why I always carry around my wig and my pepperoni pizza. Pizza, pizza! Open up, it's the pizza man! Did somebody order a piping hot pepperoni pizza? Ah, sir! Your pizza! Whoop. Looks like I ate it all. Folks, make sure that you subscribe and smash that like button. What do we got in here, folks? Let's see. Coca-Cola. Make sure you hydrate, but we gotta open it. Oh. Coca-Cola!
Turn to the max.
Oh, and make sure you guys buy your King Kousky glasses in the link below.
Hey, you! What do you think you're doing?
And make sure you guys have subscribed if you haven't already. Also, make sure when you get the King Kousky shades, they also come with a clear exchangeable lens. Now, this is good for when you're inside and you need to interchange them. Ugh, see? Clear as day. Now, folks, make sure you go ahead and buy the X-Shot Clipmania Insanity Blaster. X-Shot Insanity Motorized Clipmania is X-Shot Insanity's new blaster, meaning that your combinations to be even bigger and more epic. There's 5 Insanity blasters to collect: the Manic, Berserko, Mad Mega Barrel, Motorized Ragefire, and a Motorized Clipmania. And don't forget to get your Karen plushie. It makes for a great Christmas or birthday present. You can get it on Amazon in the link below. Mwah. Granny, hello! It's me, Eric. I need you to bring me the Motorized Ragefire so I can make an epic combo. Please and thank you. Bye-bye now. Oh, wow! Thank you, Granny. Oh. Now, you can combine your blasters to make something totally epic. Whoa, this thing is massive! I can annihilate a bunch of crimsons coming down the stairs right now.
To the max.
It's lunchtime and I'm famished. Let's go eat.
Turn to the max.
Well, howdy folks, I'm gonna teach you how to cook a nice juicy clean cheeseburger. Step 1, get that grill piping hot and then give it a clean. Oh yeah. Ugh. Step 2, get Karen to bring out those big Beasley buns. Karen!
Eric, here are those big Beasley burger buns that you asked for. I made them myself. They will be so yummy and delicious.
Thank you, Karen. Good girl.
Please save a juicy burger for me.
Slam that meat patty on the grill. Woo! Hear it sizzle. Why do 1 when you can do 6? Beef. Woo! See that smoke? It's a Christmas miracle. Now, a good burger only needs 1 flip. Good boys, good boys. And make sure you toast the buns. Woo. And yes please, don't forget the cheese. And now it's time for burger assembly. Grab the tomato. Slap that bad Johnson on there. Now we're gonna need an extra tomato for good measure. Get those boys on there like that. Next, we got the pickles. Life is nothing without a good crunchy pickle. Throw them on there. Ugh. These little bad boys add a little crunch, add a little spice, add a little life to your burger. Add them on there just like so. Now you take this and you take a little bit of this and wham bam, thank you ma'am. You just squirt it on the bun like so. Little drizzle, little drizzle. Take this, bada bing, bada boom. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. Slam that thing together. Roar. Rah. Now, once you finish your burger, make sure to feed thy enemy, for it is just, but also feed your friends as well. Take the buns, and boom. Shaka. Laka. Here we go. Burger time! Who's hungry? Who wants a nice juicy burger? Eat up, eat up. It's busy work, stealing a Christmas. Granny, Mr. Grinch, please eat up. Please and thank you. Ooh, don't mind if I do. Grassy ass. Alright, the rest of the Grinches are upstairs with the presents. I need to go take them out so I can save Christmas. Let's do this.
I'm a beast! Oh yeah, this thing is sick! Ugh, what is that smell? What the nasty? The presents! Woo! I saved Christmas!
Whoa! Yes!
Gosh, I always wanted one of these.
Ooh. Whoa, I got a pizza! Let's go!
A cheeseburger!
Yes!
Oh my gosh, it's an ice cream popsicle.
Oh, it's a Christmas miracle!
A chicken patty!
Whoa, I got one too.
This is exactly what I asked for!
Yeah! You guys see any of my presents? Ooh. Let's see what I got here. All I got was an iPad? Worst Christmas ever.
A potato? Oh, yes! I got one, Tay!
Give it. Ha! I got a piece of bread.
Cottage cheese? What an ideal Christmas present.
A pickle.
Bloody Nerf!
Nerf dots. I'm rich.
Stop that, you peasants!
Who are you?
I am the fabled king of Nerf. And as my peasants under my rule, you will all pay Christmas tributes for my protection. Pay up.
I don't want to pay.
You shall pay or you shall die. Guards! Now pay me your tribute, peasants. All of it. Everything. Right now. You. Now. All of it. The pickle too. Don't try to cheat me out on my good pickle. The loaf. The loaf. The drink.
All of it. Give me your meat. I love meat. Ooh, is that a chicken tender? Give me that. And the juicy bird, too. Oh. Guards, take their darts. I'm rich. Treason will not be tolerated!
We must hide!
Hello there!
On behalf of PDK Films, we'd like to wish you all a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and we'll see you next video. Peace!